amiga, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. To have dinner later on at home with my boyfriend. We're just gonna have like a cute little date night at home, having dinner with candles and stuff. Thought that would be cute since, you know, COVID, we're not able to really go anywhere, so we gotta make the best out of it, you know. I also asked you guys to leave us questions on Instagram, so if you are not following me on Instagram, my handle is at Jennyfer Ross. Make sure you follow me so you can be part of future videos. And since I was trying to get cute today, it came in perfect timing that Luisa reached out. So if you have never heard of Luisa before, they are a jewelry company based in New York. They make very sustainable jewelry, and that's actually something that I really love about them, the sustainable part of their business. They only use noble metals and they are carbon neutral, meaning that they offset 100% of their carbon emissions, starting from the sourcing of their raw materials all the way to the disposal of their pieces. And this means that they literally give back everything that they take, and you can see this as a fair trade with Mother Nature. Their pieces are exceptional, long-lasting. They are crafted with so much love and care. They're dipped in 14 karat gold, so your jewelry won't tarnish over time. And the best part is that they have something for everybody. There are no luxury markups. They have pieces starting at $39 going up, so you can make it as crazy as you want. What I also love about these pieces and why I chose my pieces is because they literally match everything. They can go like with a very cool style, with a very sophisticated style. You can wear them like just by themselves or layered. That's just what I absolutely love about them. These earrings are the Celeste earrings. They retail for 77 euros. They are a moon and also a star or a sun, depending on how you see it. But it really reminds me of the goals that I want to achieve. I've been working around the clock to achieve my goals. We all have 24 hours in a day, and these earrings just reminds me to work harder. Every time I look in the mirror, I'm like, okay, we need to work hard to achieve our goals, manifest that. So I thought that was beautiful, and they also look super cute. They will also look very nice as a second earring combined with something else, but for now I'm just wearing them by themselves. Super cute for every day and for like a special occasion, whatever you want. You can like literally go in all directions with these. Then for my necklaces, I'm wearing 3 necklaces from Luisa. The first one all the way up to the top is a gold padlock. It is called Key and it retails for 60 euro. Then the one in the middle is a little sun pendant. I really like the chain, the structure of the chain. It retails for 56 euros and it's called Rebecca. And then the one on the bottom is the Margot. It's just a simple textured coin necklace and it retails for 60 euros. And of course Luisa is running a special Black Friday sale, so you can go get some exclusive prices just for Black Friday. So go check them out. You can use my code JennyferBF to get some money off. Get yourself something nice for the Christmas days and for New Year's Eve, you know, girl. Like, we all need something cute around our necks. I want to thank Luisa so much for sending me these nice pieces. I absolutely love working with you, so thank you so much. We're gonna start getting ready. I just took a shower with this shower gel. If you live in the Netherlands or in Belgium, go pick this up because it is so good. It smells so fresh, so sexy, so feminine. I absolutely love it. It's, by the way, it's unisex, so if your boyfriend wants to shower with this, also perfectly fine. And I also recently discovered the matching body butter. Girl, this smells so good. Like, go pick this up at Ethos Kruidvat, Albert Heijn, I think they sell this like literally everywhere. Just go pick this up because it is good. But I'm gonna start off by doing a little bit of skincare. The first thing that I'm gonna use is this L'Oreal Age Perfect. I'm gonna take a few pumps of this and then put that on my face. Then next I'm gonna go in with my Hydra Balm Day Cream. I'm just gonna take 1 pump of that and put that all over my face. And now it's makeup time. Let me put on my little hat thingy so that I don't get any makeup in my hair. Especially the powders and so, that can be so tedious if that gets in your hair. The first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. I'm gonna brush them into place. I like to do soap brows a lot, so I take like my bar of soap with some setting spray. You can even use water, it doesn't really matter, but this one is from Primark. It is their watermelon primer. But I put that on, a little bit of that on to my soap, and then I just go in with my spoolie and I just brush up my eyebrows like so. And then I go in with my fingers and just like pull them up. And then I'm gonna give that some time to dry, and in the meantime I'm gonna use some concealer. For concealer, I've really been loving this NYX Born to Glow concealer. I recently picked this up in a vlog, also with Doris by the way, and I've been loving it ever since. At the moment, like, all the stores are closed here in Belgium, with exception for supermarkets and stuff. But as soon as they open back up, I need to go get more because I love this stuff. I just apply some of that to my dark spots and stuff. I don't have that much, and I don't care because it's normal, like, it's nothing really crazy. And then for my foundation, I've really been loving the Fenty Beauty foundation, but also this foundation from Primark. So I think I'm gonna just mix the two. I'm gonna start off with the Primark one, so about that much. And I do 1 pump of the Fenty Beauty foundation as well. 1 pump, 2 pumps then. What I like to do is just go in with my sponge and then mix that up a little bit. And then go in to my face. And then I just start blending, like blend everything. And by the way, make sure that your beauty blender is wet, because that makes it so much easier to blend your makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna set everything, and for that I'm gonna use the W7 Banana Dreams setting powder. I'm gonna take some of the product on like one of these like little sponges. You can get these at Primark, really cheap. They come in a pack of 2, and they're just really good to set like setting powders and stuff. Don't play that game, I won't keep you safe. Then next, I also like the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Cashew. And I like to use that to set the rest of my face. So I'm gonna go in with some of that as well. That smells pretty good as well. And next, I like to go in with a powder brush and just brush everything off. I don't leave this on my face for too long because I don't really like the too much set it look. So I just like to brush it off like right away. And when I brushed off most of that, I like to also go in with my powder brush from Kiko, and this one is just more like a buffing brush, so I really like that. Just buffs in everything. Okay, so now it's time to go back to the eyebrows, and for that I like the Catrice Slimatic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And I just take this and I just place a few lines, like fill up my eyebrows by just placing lines. I'm using this little mirror, and then I just like flick some hairs into this to fill up my eyebrows. Like that, nothing too crazy. It's a lot different from how I used to do it, but I just don't like that anymore. So next I take one of these LA Girl concealers. This is in the shade Warm Honey, and I just go under my eyes to just clean it up a little bit. Try to not make this too crazy. We go in with my sponge and blend this out as much as possible. Be careful though to not blend into the eyebrows. And then next I just take like a blending brush and I try to like blend under the eyebrows a little bit better. But I feel like this goes better with a little brush. What I like is this eyeshadow palette. Also recently got it in a vlog during summer, I think. It is the W7 Socialite eyeshadow palette, and it has like a lot of colors that I like. And to apply my eyeshadow, I always like this brush from NYX. It is just a blending brush, I think. I'm gonna use the color Classy. And I'm gonna put some of that on my brush. And I'm gonna start today with the lid. So I'm gonna apply it all over the lid with this. The colors are really, really pigmented, which I really like. If I have the whole eyelid like packed, I just start blending, like lightly blending it into the crease by doing like a wiper motion, like left, right type of situation. And the same on the other side. And I just diffuse like the edges to make it like more blended in to the brow bone. To diffuse it even more, I like to go in with some of this powder from Kiko. Well, it is their Gold Waves powder in the shade Honey. And I take some of that on my brush as well, just swoop that on there. And then I go into the crease mostly to buff, to just diffuse it just a little bit more. And make it like one look and not like boom, eyeshadow and that's it. So I like to just diffuse it a little bit more with that. It's a really easy look, yo. You can do this with any color, but I like this for every day because it doesn't take up that much time and it still look really nice and as if you know what you're doing, you know. Then I like to do some eyeliner, a winged eyeliner, and today I'm using the liquid ink from Essence. This is what I use every day, by the way. What I like to do is I start in the middle and I go towards the tail. I just like make a little line like so. You just want to release the pressure when you get to the wing. And then fill up from the corner of your eye up to the wing. Like that. And I just bring it in a little bit more. Like that. That's a perfect wing. I'm gonna try to replicate it on the other side. I think eyeliners are sisters too, you know. I cannot with this. It looks pretty equal. I think it's fine. And next I like a little bit of mascara. For mascara, I like the Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara from Essence. This is just bomb.com and it's really, really affordable. So like that about that. And I just coat my lashes with a little bit of the mascara. And I like to do this before I apply my lashes, because then I can reuse the lashes instead of like coating the lashes in mascara as well. So I've been really liking to do my lashes afterwards. Whoa. Sometimes it goes well with me and sometimes it doesn't. I'm not even gonna sit here and pretend like it always works for me. Like it really doesn't. Sometimes it goes on like it doesn't cause me any problems at all. And sometimes it's just more difficult. Definitely not my best work, but it will have to do for today. Well, yo, what is even happening? Lash glue everywhere. Quick little step that I forgot. I also like an inner corner highlight. For that, I like to use like one of the lighter shades. I think today I'm gonna use like the High Society and Extravagance. It's like these two colors. It's a pink and a gold. So I'm gonna go into Extravagance first and just apply that to the inner tear duct. Do the same on this side. And then take some of the gold and put that right on top. Oh my god, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So annoying. Fuck, bitch. For contour, I like these two powders. The California Beam-In from NYX, and I'm in the shade Calibo 3. And I also like this one from Sephora, and this one is in Deep 50. I kind of already bronzed my face, but I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But I will lightly go over it to show it to you. What I do for the bottom part of my jawline is like bronze or contour all the way back to my ear, like this. And for the sides, I like to mix the two. And I take my angled brush, this is one from Hema by the way, and I just contour up to my temple here. And this just makes my face look a little bit slimmer because I have a very round face, which is nice, you know, But for contouring, if I can manipulate that a little bit, I will. And I just bring it up to my temple to make it more smaller. And for up here, I don't have that much of a big forehead, but all foreheads needs love. What I do is I take just the one from NYX, and I take some of that on my brush, and I just go in, like pat it on first, and then blend it in, blend it back like this. It makes like, it gives me a very sun-kissed glow, as if I'm just came back from vacation or something, which we know I did not. For the nose, I just like this one. I don't like anything shimmery on my nose. And then I just do the sides of my nose a little bit. Like this. Nothing too crazy. And I bring it down to the wing. No, not to the wing. I just bring it down to the point of my nose. But I try to make that look like the lines look as close together as possible. Contour this part of the nose to make it like look more like up. And next I like blush, and for blush I like the Raisin blush from MAC with the brush from Real Techniques. Well, I just go into my blush like that. And then I like to apply it like to the highest points a little bit, like that much. Not so much on the apples, but more up. Just for a little button effect on the nose. I also like to do the nose and a little bit on the chin. Maybe also a little bit here and here. You know, like a flushed type of look. It's getting dark outside. Today is a gloomy day. So not the best day to film this makeup video, but it's fine. So for highlight, I mostly like the Kilowatt highlighter in Mean Money and Hustler Baby, but I'm really running out and I need to get a new one. But I also like this one a lot. This is from NYX, and it's their Chrome Illuminating Powder, and this is in the shade Synthetica. Then I apply it to the highest points of my cheek, like so. We do the same thing on the other side. Some of the point on the point of my nose and some on the Cupid's bow as well. Okay, that's really cute. This is one of Sephora's lip stories. I'll link it in the description box down below if you want to get it. It's like in an orange red type of color, so I'm gonna apply that to my lip. And I started that top part. This is cute. Then next I like the Prep and Infuse from PS Beauty. This is from Primark, but it's very similar to the one from MAC. And way cheaper, of course. So I just shake that up a little bit and then I spritz that all over my face to set everything. Smells amazing. Okay, and I'm gonna allow this to dry, and now let's move on to my hair. Okay, so on to the hair. How many days old is this? I think like a 3-day-old wash and go going on. So what I'm gonna do is slick my edges with my Eco Styler hair gel. And I just take a little bit of that and just apply that to my edges like that. And then I like to go in with my brush and just brush back my hair. And I also like this spray. Used to have to use this when I had box braids, but it's just a hair polish. And I just like spritz that onto my hair, make the curls look a little more glossy. Curls or the fro, whatever you want to call this at this point. Smells good though. And then I'm gonna use this head wrap from Crea Head Wraps, and I'm gonna put that in my hair like so. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. And I just push my hair back forward. For edges, I like this Braid and Lock Twist Gel from African Pride. I'm gonna use like a toothbrush that I just used for my hair to work on my edges. So I like to brush it back and just make like a little bit of edge art, you know? Make it look a little bit cute. I take a little bit of my hair perfume and I just spritz that in my hair as well. Oh my god, it smells so good. And this is my Emma Louise hair perfume. So good. Then next is some perfume because we gotta smell good. I'm gonna use this one. This is Libre from YSL. So one of their newer perfumes. It smells super, super good. And now it is jewelry time. So amiga, I quickly wanted to show you my outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing. Nothing really special because I'm not actually leaving the house. But also, Benny really loves to see me in simple things like this. He's not a difficult guy at all. He would probably also appreciate like a little black dress or something. But, you know, this is more realistic. I'm wearing this blue denim blouse that I got from H&M yesterday when I went shopping with Dirties. I also have a week vlog that I'm filming at the moment, so stay tuned for that. You will see it in that vlog that I bought this. And this is the makeup look that I did eventually. Okay amiga, I figured it out what I want to do. I want to do like a little tapas situation. So we're still gonna have some of the ground meat with a little bit of pasta, but I'm gonna put it into little bowls so that we don't have too much. Then I also took these out of the freezer. These are like mini Vietnamese lumpias, which are actually Vietnamese spring rolls. I have like these little shrimp beignets. I'm gonna fry a few of these. So we have like already 2 dishes. And then I also want to make like patatas bravas with aioli. And then we have like 4 things that we can eat. So it's like, you know, a little tapas bar. I think that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. I also have some sangria. So I want to make some of that as well. Okay, so for the sangria, I'm gonna use some fruit cocktail. This is one from Del Monte. Should I use the juice in it or no? I think I'm just gonna do it for extra flavor. What? I don't know what else I'm supposed to put in this. Let me try it. It tastes like really bland. Do we need to put alcohol in this? I don't know what I'm supposed to put in that. It tastes really bland and boring. Doesn't taste like anything. Hope I don't fuck this up, but I'm gonna put some sugar. I know Benny loves his sangria, and I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do. Maybe I should have looked this up before I started doing this. Oh, like let me do another spoon. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Maybe I should put some orange juice as well. Should I? Do we even have orange juice? Let me go check. We don't have orange juice, but we do have this multivitamin granini juice. Should I even do? Oh my god. Here goes nothing. Oh my god. This, hopefully it's good. I don't know. This is it. Girl, that is it. A think I should do more orange juice, but like my jar is not big enough. All right, we're gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna try to make room in the fridge to put this in so that it can cool, and we're gonna move on with the patatas bravas. Hopefully that's going a little bit easier than this. Look how much potatoes I did. Like I did 3. How the hell did I end up with so much potatoes? Like that's gonna be way too much. So first thing I'm gonna put is salt. And toss it around. Put a little bit more. And then we do paprika powder. Hope there's anything in here. Probably not. Just annoying, but okay. Oops, that was a little bit too much. It's fine, we're just gonna toss it around. This is chili flakes, but then grounded, so I'm gonna use these instead. And then toss it around. And then some garlic powder. Top it off, I'm also gonna put some cilantro. I think this is cilantro. Just a little bit. Don't go crazy with this. You know, just to give it some color. And then they are ready to be baked. So amiga, I'm pretty much on schedule. I'm gonna start assembling the table, putting everything, like, you know, align everything and all of that. I lit a candle already. I'm gonna like put a few more to just make it a little bit more, you know, cozy or whatever. So yeah, let's assemble this table. I only need to bake the how do you say that, the shrimp beignets and the Vietnamese spring rolls. And I also need to make like the aioli mix, but that's basically just mayonnaise with some aioli sauce, and you just mix it and sprinkle some cilantro on top, and that's it. So yeah, I'm now gonna quickly continue and try to finish all of this up before Benny gets home. But so far it's fun, but it's a little bit stressful. I should have planned this a little bit better, but it's cute, it's cute. I think I'm also gonna do this candle. I want like an all white aesthetic. Doesn't make no sense, but just a white candle from IKEA. This one is one from Action. I recently got it in a vlog, but I'm gonna do this one as well. So I have 3 candles because, let me know if you believe in that bullshit, but my mom always used to say like it's not good to lit 1, 2, or 4 candles. It needs to be 3 or yeah, 3, 5 and more. But if it's like 4, it can like call for death. I don't know if that's even true. Oh my god, Amiga, look at my little table. This is so romantic. Oh my god. Cute little candles. Oh my god. And then I put like some fairy lights as well. I got glasses for the sangria. I have like 2 little plates. They're small plates because it's tapas. It's small little bites. So yes, potatoes are done. This is what they look like. I'm gonna assemble them and put them on a little platter. All right, Amiga, Benny is home. He's hangry, but this is the finished result. This is all the stuff that I made, and we're now gonna eat. So, okay, Benny. So I wanted you to feel as if you are on vacation, and I made like tapas. So I tried my best. I have like some shrimp beignets. I have patatas bravas, just like in Barcelona. I have some Vietnamese spring rolls. And I also...
It's lumpia.
Yeah, lumpia, but it's in English you say
It's lumpia.
Okay, lumpia. And here I have some pasta from Sunday. I freshly made the pasta though, but like, you know, we don't waste any food. So I made a little situation with that. And I have some...
Yes, for the tapas.
Yes. And I have sangria. So yeah, maybe you can start off by pouring us a glass of sangria.
Have you focused in the sangria?
No. I didn't. I really didn't. You will see it in the footage. I hope it's good. Like the one from Barcelona. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers.
Amiga, we're now gonna have dinner, talk a little bit, and then we'll be back when we're done eating, and then we're gonna answer a few questions. All right? Bon appetit, Benny!
Bon appetit.
Amiga, we just finished having our dinner. It was so good. It was very nice to just catch up and just have like a little date night at home. I also want to end this video here. I want to give a special thank you to Luisa for hooking me up with all the nice jewelry. Thank you so much for believing in me and collaborating with me. And make sure to check them out. Check out their Black Friday sales. I will have a link in the description box down below for you to check it out. So yes, go check them out. Thank you once again to Luisa, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah!